Hey everybody, it is Matty here with Altcoin Buzz with you on this Friday. Yes, TGIF. We have some good news to cover on this Friday in terms of what is happening with AT&T. They have become the first major mobile network to accept cryptocurrency payments. This is a major development, and we're going to be talking about it. We also have big news in the way of Facebook. They're talking about the Facebook cryptocurrency, the GlobalCoin, which seems to be right around the corner, so we'll give you updates with regards to that. Telegram seems to be poised to launch TON, the TON network, in Q3 of 2019. We have some news about Robinhood and their zero-fee trading app as well. Decentralized domain registry raises $4 million from Draper Boost VC, this via Coindesk.com. Let's begin here with a snapshot of the market. However, as you can see, things look pretty good for a Friday. Of course, we've had a retracement lately. We were down in the mid to high $230 billion range for total market cap. We're sitting just below 250 right now at 249 billion and about 400 million or so. So that's up 6.1% over the last 24 hours. You see a nice little boost here across the board. Bitcoin up 5%, Ethereum up over 6%, Bitcoin Cash up over 8%, Litecoin up 10% over the last 24 hours, as is the case with Binance Coin. So not too bad to wake up to here on a Friday. Let's take a look at Altcoin Buzz IO's reaction to our lead story here. This tweeted on the 23rd of May. Breaking: AT&T is the first mobile carrier to accept payment in cryptocurrency. Quote, "We have customers who use cryptocurrency and we are happy we can offer them a way to pay their bills with the method they prefer." That is a quote courtesy of a vice president at AT&T. This is why, everybody, one does not simply ignore crypto. It's becoming impossible. More and more corporations are getting interested, or at least recognizing the fact that their customers are interested. And for AT&T to come out and say this is absolutely monumental. It's being covered here by financemagnates.com. AT&T becomes the first major mobile network to accept crypto payments. BitPay will convert crypto payments into cash before sending the funds into AT&T's accounts. Yet another mainstream company has taken its first steps into the crypto sphere. So this follows Facebook, Nike, Nordstrom, Home Depot, Starbucks, and others. Now you have AT&T, which announced yesterday on Thursday that customers can now pay their phone bills in cryptocurrency. The payments, as I mentioned, will be facilitated through crypto payment processor BitPay, either online or in-app. AT&T will not store the payments in crypto. Instead, BitPay is going to convert the crypto into fiat before giving it to the company. AT&T Vice President of AT&T Communications, Finance, Business Operations, Kevin McDorman, said the following, quote, "We're always looking for ways to improve and expand our services." That's courtesy of an official statement. "We have customers who use cryptocurrency, and we are happy we can offer them a way to pay their bills with the method they prefer." AT&T reportedly began its more serious interest in crypto approximately 1 year ago when BitPay reached out to the company. However, BitPay's chief commercial officer, Sunny Singh, said that AT&T led the way after that initial step. Quote, "AT&T did a great job making this happen." Now that the first mobile phone carrier has taken steps into the crypto sphere, other companies are more likely to follow. Singh said that in general, a greater number of large companies are becoming more interested in accepting crypto payments. And I think, even if it's only symbolic, this is a legitimization of this space. For AT&T to come out and make this kind of announcement legitimizes that mechanism, the payment of any kind of a bill, whether it's a telecom bill, maybe a utility bill in the future. It legitimizes that operation in the eyes of the general public, who, let's face it, are laymen when it comes to cryptocurrency and may still think of us, members of the Altcoin Buzz army, and myself included, they may think of us in this space as the swindlers, as the hucksters, as the crazy libertarians. Who knows? This is a legitimization of the technology, at least in my opinion. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. In other news here on CoinGate, Facebook cryptocurrency GlobalCoin set to launch in Q1 of 2020. According to a report, this article from today, Facebook has been actively working on its new venture, which it says will compete with banks. The secretive cryptocurrency endeavor was earlier taking shape through a hiring drive for the team. Recently, it was formally inducted as a subsidiary in Switzerland under Project Libra. That was on the 17th of May. Reportedly, Facebook is planning to launch its cryptocurrency named GlobalCoin in a dozen countries by the first quarter of next year, so 2020. Furthermore, the social media giant plans to test the cryptocurrency by the end of this year. A little bit now about Project Libra, and I suppose the name of their coin, which is now being dubbed GlobalCoin. So furthermore, creating a cryptocurrency will be less complicated than adding actual value to it in dollars. Hence, Project Libra will seek to establish partnerships with existing banks and payment providers to enable the exchange between fiat currency and GlobalCoin. Reportedly, it is holding talks with Western Union, and taking advice from the U.S. Treasury Office. We've discussed this before, guys, and no matter what Facebook does, it could be GlobalCoin, it could be something else, it could be under the umbrella of Project Libra, but it doesn't have to be. Whatever they choose to do, between Facebook, between WhatsApp, which of course is Zuckerberg owned, and between Instagram, they have already built in a demographic of billions, with an S, billions of users. So no matter what they do, this is going to be meteoric in the world of cryptocurrency. You guys can read more about Project Libra here on CoinGate. There's also some talk of this development on EthereumWorldNews.com. Facebook to launch GlobalCoin. Can it be trusted with crypto? This is Luke Thompson's take here from the 24th of May, if you'd like to read more about this particular piece. In other news here on Cointelegraph.com, according to a report, Telegram is going to launch TON, T-O-N network, in Q3 of 2019. That's not too far off. Encrypted messaging service Telegram will purportedly launch its Telegram Open Network, TON, in the third quarter of 2019. That's according to crypto news site The Block. So an internal memo sent to investors reportedly said that the network would launch later this year. Telegram purportedly said that a recent successful test process, quote, reaffirms our belief that the TON virtual machine and the TON Byzantine consensus algorithm are capable of meeting the goals stated in the original white paper. This would be great news for Telegram, of course, which is a fan favorite among many members of the altcoin buzz army. Telegram was founded by the brothers Nikolai and Pavel Durov in 2013. The firm raised almost $1.7 billion in two private initial coin offering rounds last year, and the platform boasts over 200 million users. So a Q3 launch this year of the TON network would be huge. Let us know what you guys think about that in the comments below. In other news here on altcoinbuzz.io, Robinhood zero-fee trading app launches in New York. Article here by Luke. So Robinhood, the popular stock and crypto investing app, has officially launched cryptocurrency trading in New York, and that is no small feat. So great news. Robinhood announced that New Yorkers can now use Robinhood to buy crypto. Robinhood is a financial services company that allows trading of traditional stocks via their easy-to-use trading app. The company started the support for purchasing digital assets back in February of 2018. In the official press release, Robinhood stated, quote, currently you can invest in 7 cryptocurrencies on Robinhood: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and Dogecoin. You can also track price movements and news for those and 10 additional cryptocurrencies. Vlad Tenev, co-founder and co-CEO of Robinhood, said about the news, quote, we're delighted that Robinhood Crypto has been granted a virtual currency license and a money transmitter license in New York. This will complement the larger suite of investment services that New Yorkers already have access to on the Robinhood platform. Check out the rest of Luke's article for more details here, more information. Let us know if you guys are Robinhood users and what you think about this particular development. I think, hey, it's one more brick, it's one more layer of the foundation that's being laid. So good news, at least in my opinion. Finally here today, everybody, on Coindesk.com, decentralized domain registry raises $4 million from Draper Boost VC venture capital. So a blockchain startup is bringing the fight for free speech to the domain level. Unstoppable Domains announced Thursday a $4 million Series A led by venture capital firm Draper Associates. Boost VC, which led the startup's seed round, was the only other participant in the series. Quote, for global free speech to work, you need to be able to say what you want and you need to be able to operate a business as you want. Unstoppable Domains co-founder Brad Cam told CoinDesk, I am 100% in agreement with that. And I hope I'm not drawing any battle lines here, but with so much talk of free speech and whatnot these days, I 100% agree with that statement personally. By operating a decentralized domain registry, Unstoppable Domains claims to offer websites that can't be taken down by government authorities or traditional domain providers. The issue of domain registrars booting objectionable platforms surged into public view after GoDaddy removed social network Gab following the Pittsburgh Pittsburgh synagogue shooting last October. Quote, "In the old world, GoDaddy is the custodian," Cam said. "In this world, you control the domain yourself and no one can take it from you." When asked if censorship-resistant websites may offer a safe haven for toxic content or illegal use cases, Cam said, quote, "Similar comments were made about Bitcoin early on as well. The reality is the nefarious purposes are not the main purposes." Pretty interesting development here. Cryptocurrency and blockchain, more broadly speaking, is very much a space that overlaps with some of these ideals of libertarianism and free speech, and to a certain extent, anti-establishmentarianism. Although I would say that last one is usually an indirect association, but very interesting take here. If you're perhaps a little bit more politically inclined, as I certainly am, you may want to check this out. We'll link to it in the description below. Let us know your thoughts about it, of course, in the comments below. And that about rounds it out for the news, everybody. There's a lot of other stuff, in fact, that we couldn't get to, including Vanta, which is partnering with Amazon Web Services. Here you have that piece that we hinted at yesterday on another website. Japan tightens grip on cryptocurrency exchanges. So there is a lot happening in the space. Make sure you're following us on all the regular social media channels to be updated, and keep checking back into our website, altcoinbuzz.io, for all the latest news and developments. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, share, hit the bell to receive notifications. Have a wonderful Friday, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Best of luck if you choose to invest, but have a great tail end of your week, a great start to your weekend, and we do hope to see you again soon, as always, in our next video. Take care.